So welcome to Customize Your Android. In this video, I'll show you 3 awesome setups I've created using Nova Launcher on my phone, and I'm gonna give you some kind of inspiration to start your very own. But make sure that it's not a part of my episode. Well, now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So setup number 1 I have created for the football fans. For those who love Cristiano Ronaldo, they're definitely going to love this setup. Hey, not only Cristiano Ronaldo but also the Lionel Messi fans. You don't need to worry about, cause as I said earlier, I'm gonna give you some inspiration. So okay, now let's focus on how to customize it. The highlight here in this setup is the wallpaper, which already has got great thoughts written on it, and I've only edited the widget so far. So here I use the Parrot widget pack. Both of these widgets are from Parrot application. So I think it won't be very difficult for you to choose the required widgets from this particular application. Now let's take a look at those dog icons. And for this you need 2 applications. One is flat white and the other one is drawer con. Well, in my case I've set those applications which I use most often. So you can set any application by your wish, but the main icon which I have mentioned in center, the CR7 logo, you need to edit it by drawer con. If you actually download the drawer con application, that lets you pick individual app drawer icons. So do customize it like shown in this video. And the next one here is taking minimalism even further. We have one Google widget and 3 attractive icons at the upper half from Viral Icon Pack, and an even more faded wallpaper which I get it from the application named as Wallzy. Link of this wallpaper and everything else which I'm showing in this video will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. And also do hide the dogs before you move further with this setup. Well, the main highlight here in this setup is the Hug Super widget, which covers the lower half of the screen, and I think it'll be little complicated to swipe up from bottom to open app drawer cause of that widget which is interacting while swiping up. So for this, you need to press the drawer indicator if you feel uncomfortable with swiping up. And if you take a look at those icons, then there you can set any application by your wish. Again, as I said, I've set those which I use the most, but you guys set the one which is suitable for this setup. Now, the last one here is an evening setup. So, by the wallpaper itself, it gives the main highlight to this setup. Amazing nature background with minimalistic look. And the widgets I've used for this setup is from Minimal UI pack. So I guess now you guys know how to align and resize those widgets. But even though, I'll just show you once. You can find these widgets in Minimal UI pack. Again, link to that is given below in the description, so make sure to check it out. And icons I've used for this setup is Simplex Icons, the paid application, but you can get it free from my website, and for that check the description down below. So set the icons like shown in this video, then you will have this amazing setup on your device. Hey, be frank, how it looks? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's it guys for today's video, and I hope any one of these setups might have given you some kind of inspiration, and if so, then give it a huge thumbs up or else dislike this video. Well, it's D Androids and I'm signing out.